Hello, my name is Yolanda Fajardo Cárdenas. I am 30 years old and I live in Zipaquirá. I study industrial engineering and I work in hotel. Explain each step in the video. The video is composed by different steps. 1. Get relaxed and don't be worried when you don't understand English or when you try to understand. 2. Don't try to translate, just listen when somebody is talking. Don't translate because you do W word. 3. Use the contents as a help to understand. Use the place of the object. They help you to understand difficult words. 4. Practice with different voices in different situations, different accents, songs, TV programs, or audiobooks. 5. Make a study plan. It's very important to have a daily 15 minutes plan different hours. At the beginning of the video, they told about some situations. Say and last 3. 1. Listen a teacher. Listen a teacher talking breezy English slow and clear, easy. 2. You are in a train and there are 4 native speakers from different countries. They talk each other and have different accents. Difficult. In the menu 3, you listen other language. What is it? The take Portuguese, which are 2 roles for the 5 steps. First, do it every day. Second, do something different every day. What is lesson? Plan the purpose. Monday, listen to 2 or 3 songs twice or 3 times each one. Tuesday, listen a pocket with American voice. Wednesday, watch 50 minutes of British TV program. Thursday, workout listening an audio book. Friday, watch news for 50 minutes. Sunday, watch 50 minutes from an old film. What plan do you propose? I propose to watch 15 minutes from a documentary. How to stick on your plan? Write the names of the songs, programs, or movies you will watch or listen. According to the video, where can you get material to practice English? I can have some material from the UNAT platform and I in the Bridge Coaching with page. Thank you.